Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best knot tying tool is probably one of the most useful gadgets for any angler, from seasoned professionals to weekend warriors, because it dramatically simplifies the process of creating strong, reliable knots, saving you valuable time on the water and eliminating the frustration of fumbling with tiny lines. This tool ensures consistent knot quality, leading to fewer breakages and lost catches, ultimately enhancing your overall fishing experience and increasing your chances of a successful day. I will show you how to use this tool and what to consider when choosing one. Number 5. HOOK-EZE Fishing Knot Tool. It's easy to hurt yourself on a fish hook. This tool protects you by covering the sharp barb while you tie your tackle. A great gift for any angler. It works with hooks from size 40 down to number 28. Use it for hooks, jig heads, swivels, and more. It even includes a line cutter. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this tool makes tying knots easier. It's perfect for anyone with dexterity issues, too. Keep your hooks covered and your gear safe during transport. Protect your car, boat, and family from accidental injuries. It's made from durable polypropylene and stainless steel, so it can handle any weather condition. Perfect for ice fishing or saltwater fishing. What we like. It protects your hands from sharp hooks while tying, and it's suitable for various fishing tackle, from small hooks to large ones. If you are a beginner angler or have dexterity issues, this tool simplifies knot tying and makes fishing safer and more enjoyable for everyone. It's also great for safely transporting your fully rigged poles. What people say. It is a clever little gadget. I love this safe and effective knot tying tool. Also covers the hook as advertised and clips on for travel to prevent snags in the car or to the kids, pet, boat, etc. Comes in a pack of 2 so you can gift one to a friend or keep a spare in another box or on another pole like I do. Works great, awesome quality and does what it is meant for. Good price and would buy it again. Number 4. Fishing Line Knot Tyer. Tired of struggling with fishing line knots? This handy tool makes tying knots quick and easy, saving you valuable fishing time. It's so simple, anyone can use it. Just follow the easy instructions and you'll be tying perfect knots in seconds. It ensures your knots are secure and reliable, giving you confidence in your fishing line. Made from one-piece stainless steel, it's built to last. This is a tool you can depend on for years to come. It's crafted with pride right here in the USA, using high-quality materials and manufacturing standards. We've included both written and video instructions to guide you through the process. You'll be tying knots like a pro in no time. Learn how to tie both the nail knot and the needle nail knot with this tool. It simplifies these techniques for perfect results every time. What we like. It's incredibly easy and safe to use, and it's made from durable stainless steel. If you are looking for a simple, reliable knot tying tool that gets the job done quickly and efficiently, this is the one for you. Its straightforward design makes it perfect for anglers of all skill levels. Number 3. Gerber Gear LineDriver. It's the ultimate fishing multi-tool, designed for precision and efficiency. Get ready to streamline your fishing experience with its 6 incredible functions. This innovative vise securely holds your hooks, making bait changes and knot tying a breeze. It's a game changer for speed and precision. Easily cut your line with the sharp, dual-serrated scissors. Then, use the integrated crimper for perfect split shot adjustments every time. It's incredibly compact at just 5 inches long and weighs only 1.6 ounces. Yet, it's built with a durable aluminum body to withstand the rigors of fishing. For over 85 years, Gerber has crafted high-quality blades and tools for adventurers everywhere. It's a legacy of quality and innovation you can trust. This multi-tool is more than just convenient, it's a testament to Gerber's commitment to quality and performance. Upgrade your fishing game today. What we like. This is a multi-tool that offers precision and compactness. If you value versatility and efficiency in a compact package, this tool is perfect for you. It streamlines line management and makes bait changes quick and easy, ideal for anglers who appreciate quality and convenience. What people say. This fishing tool has several useful features all in one neat package, including scissors, split shot crimper, a hook threader, and an eyelet cleaner. The end with the eyelet cleaner also rotates, so you can use that end to hold your hook and spin it to help with knot tying, such as tying a clinch knot. This is the extra hand you sometimes need when tying a knot. The blades have stayed ultra sharp. The line tying function is the one thing I wouldn't think I would use. My mind was changed after using the hook vise and swivel head. Love that it has a belt clip and the jaws stay slightly open to manage your line hands free. Using it to thread my hooks at night makes night fishing easy. I had 3 snags on a recent fishing trip. Reached down, picked up the tool, cut my line in a heartbeat. The hook vise is perfect. I'm using size 14 hooks. The eye cleaner works too, removing painted over jig heads. The vise spins so you can tie line fast too. Number 2. SAMSFX Fishing Tools Kit. This tool makes tying fishing knots incredibly fast and easy. No more struggling with complex knots, it's simple and reliable, ensuring your line stays secure. Removing hooks from fish's mouths has never been easier. Its multifunctional design makes quick work of even deeply embedded hooks, minimizing stress on the fish. This kit includes everything you need for efficient fishing. You get a knot tyer, hook remover, and even a handy retractor, all in one convenient package. It's built to last with high-quality stainless steel components. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of fishing, trip after trip. The included retractor keeps your tools close at hand. Attach it to your vest and always know where your essential fishing gear is. This kit is ideal for fly fishing enthusiasts. It simplifies the process of tying small and intricate knots, making your fly fishing experience more enjoyable. What we like. This 4-in-1 tool is a multifunctional and handy kit for various fishing tasks. If you need a versatile tool that combines knot tying, hook removal, and loop tying, this is a great option. Its all-in-one design makes it perfect for fly fishing enthusiasts and those who prefer to have everything they need in one compact tool. What people say. The tools will take some learning, but they work better than just fat fingering the knots. Both of these tools are a great help. They're compact and can be fastened to your clothes for easy reach and easy hook tying. Number 1. FGGT Knot Puller. This innovative tool makes tying fishing knots easier than ever. It's designed to protect your hands and create perfectly tight knots every time. Simply unscrew it, tie your knot, wrap the line around, and pull. It's that simple. It's made from lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy. This ensures it's durable and ready for any fishing trip. This knot puller is incredibly strong and long-lasting, a reliable tool for all your fishing needs. The non-slip design provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. Enjoy effortless knot tying. At just 7.1 inches and 6 ounces, it's small and lightweight, perfect for carrying in your tackle box. What we like. It's easy to use, made of high-quality materials, and is highly portable. If you're looking for a tool that makes tying strong and reliable knots effortless, while also being easy to carry around, this knot puller is for you. Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for anglers on the go. What people say. Well-made product. Takes the pain out of tightening fishing knots, especially braided lines. No more loose knots and cut hands. Heavy leaders. No problem. You can really pull down tight with this tool. Quality material and craftsmanship. Makes knot tying with braid easy to get the knots tight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.